Good morning. Welcome to Stephen's Legos. Coming from the Lego room in my house in Midlothian, Texas. We're on page 114, step number 617 of the second book of the build manual. Recap, got the base tracks assembly, got the turntable, got the chassis, got the counterweights added on, auxiliary boom, the main boom, and last two videos we wired it up and ran it up and down. So it automatically calibrates when it gets too far up here. That's when it stops the motor. So it's a neat little thing I found out in doing all that. All right, let's continue on. We're going to be building the top piece up here. If you look in the photo, it takes the goes onto the jib boom, and we'll go ahead and take a look and start on building this. We need to take one of these 4 pieces here, or a long piece of 5 holes, and we need to put in blue pegs as sewn, connector pieces like this, and then we take gray piece like so, and from here we take like this, take another blue connector piece, put it in the end, and that goes on the end right here. Turning the page, we take another one of the 5 pieces, or a single with 5 holes, and put it on the blue, and make that. Putting this down, going to make another piece. Take this. We got 4 gray pieces. Putting them in the ends. And then we're taking a 5-piece gray. Down onto it like that. And we're taking the shaft and go on the end here like this. And then we'll put this down, grab a gray axle connector, and put in a blue piece, blue connector on either side. Goes in the middle, like so. And then this attaches like that. Now we had 3 pulleys. Oops, actually it attaches like that. Now we had 3 pulleys. Top. Take another one of the gray pieces, sink it all together like so. Make sure it's all tightened up like that. Then we take a yellow piece, put on top to make it symmetrical. Alright, we'll set this down here. We get another gray piece. We'll put in blue connector pieces with the single portion of it inside the gray piece. And we'll take this and attach it up like so in that piece. Okay? Shows to marry these up as such. All right, then we're taking a yellow axle piece. We're putting that right here. We take larger pulley, flanged pulley. Put it in the middle right there. And now then after that we grab another gray piece with a single black connector in the middle, like such. And then bring it together. Get these lined up just right. There we go. And you got to go down flat, otherwise they won't sink up in there. So like this. So that's what this looks like. All right. Set this down. Get another gray piece. Get this small gray piece. Got a sub-assembly of the connector and a red connector, and that goes to the end like that, and then that goes in like so. We do that again. Red piece goes into the connectors, and then that goes in on the other side like so. Then we have this another gray piece. It comes in on this side, making a little H piece like that. Gray piece here. The gray goes in the side there. We get a black connector to fit right here. So far that's what it looks like there. Get another piece, and then we got the yellow. Okay, the yellow's got to have 4 black connectors on the various ends. As such. And that goes in right here on that. Flip that to, actually it goes onto this one as such. Jumping ahead of myself there. As such. Okay. Flip this to the side here. We have a beige connector that goes in the bottom here. Connects that like so. So this has got 3 points of connection. So then we take this piece, like this, and then this piece. Pops in like that. Okay. Take another gray piece. So we got it prepped at the top. As such. And take another of the beige connectors. Drive that home in there. Setting this down, we have the red piece. We take a little stub like that, put the little red dot in there, and that goes on the end. And then this shows to go in this hole right there. Okay. Not sure exactly where that's going yet, but we'll find that out. All right. So now we take another gray piece, put it at the end of the yellow, take a 5 flat, piece like that, put that in there, and take one more of the gray shafts like such. Okay, then we go ahead and get the gray connector here, and like we did before, put in a blue connector, the spline into the socket on the other side. There we go, and that goes in the middle. So now we take 3 more pulleys, put it on there like that. Careful not to tip that onto the side because it'll fall out. Go ahead and put that down. All right. Take a gray piece here on this one. We're on page 128. And we'll take one of these red knob pieces right here. Put it in the middle there like shown. And then this pops in like that. And we take 2, this is supposed to be underneath like this. And the 2 black pieces go underneath on this side. Like so. Okay. We'll put this down. We'll take 2 of the red connectors. The red connectors have got a 2 section here, and then they got a spline section for one depth. And those go into this 3-point connector. We have the 2 spaces here and a connector that takes into the spline. All right, then the gray pieces go in the light gray goes into the dark gray, as shown there. All right, then we take a blue piece, blue connector. That goes right here. And we take a gray sheave spacer to go right there. And we take a pulley, goes like that. This assembly is getting kind of complicated. And we'll set this down here. All right. We're running out of gray pieces, only got 3 more. Take the gray piece, like we did before, put a red in the center there. I'm going to put 2 of the black connectors over here. And then that sits sits on the connector like that. And then to lock everything together and keep it from falling apart, put the gray piece like so. And we take the yellow piece like so on that. I'm going to go ahead and center up the shaft in between there. Right, and then we take a red shaft, and that goes right here. Take a red or a gray pulley, goes on the red shaft. That's what that looks like there. Take another sub-assembly, gray piece, yellow piece. The yellow piece has got 4 black connector pieces in the ends. And that pops in. Make sure you get it in the right hole set like that. goes in the bottom. Of that. Okay. I make another sub-assembly. The gray piece. Put a yellow on there. Take two gray shivs. The high flanges in it. Like that. And then we take another yellow and put on the end like so. Center up the shaft in there a little bit. That way it's a little bit even. And that goes right here. And then finally we take the last gray piece and put on top. Alright, we're going to go ahead and end the video on this particular piece. Appreciate you watching. Make sure you watch all the other videos in the series. And subscribe, hit like, comment, and enjoy doing this for y'all. So hopefully you're enjoying it with me. Have a good day.